Welcome all. Our today's topic is internet domains. What is internet domains? Where we will use it? What is the structure of these internet domains? As you all know that like our names, uh, as our names are unique to everyone, same as on the in the field of web technology, in the field of web, all websites name should be different. Internet domains, you can think a domain is like www.google.com. This is a domain, okay, and you cannot find two organizations or two networks with the same internet domain, as the domain name is a unique name of an organization or person on the internet. As person, every organization have their different internet domains, like www.flipkart.com belongs to the Flipkart, and if you want to create your website with your name, that is www.amitkumar.net, amitkumar.com. So you can do this by purchasing this domain name. But if the particular domain related to the another another one, then you cannot get that. The file name is combined with a generic top level domains called GTLD, and these are the examples .com, .org as example we have taken. And there is a data that by 2019 about 300 million registered domains names are there on the web, and after year by years this number is increasing because everyone wants that, or anyone wants to appear in the net. A domain name is an identification string that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority, or control within the internet. As the domain names should be unique, the domain names are formed by some rules, as we have said that no every organization, every person have a unique domain name on the web. Okay, if you have typed www.google.com, then this will direct you to the Google server, not anywhere. So there is a procedures, there are some procedures, there are some rules, and namely called as domain name system, DNS is called, and any name registered in the DNS is a domain name. Is a domain name have some subordinate levels like subdomains. As take an example, there is a website, take our website like www.sobhituniversity.ac.in. This is also a domain name, but it is divided in some subdomains. It have subdomain AC belongs to the academics, and a another country specific name, that is IN, belongs to the India. Now the first level set of domain names are called top level domains, including generic top level domains such as .com, .info, .net, .edu, .org. and the country code top level domains like CCTLDs. As we have discussed, these country code specific as like dot in if we put anywhere, or you have seen dot UK, dot US, etc. These are domain names. Registration is required. Yes, the every domain name should be registered first, and hundreds of registrars which will verify that the name of absolutely unique. The main requirement to register a domain, that this domain name should be unique. Okay, the as you have created anytime you have created your email IDs, and you want to take the email ID with your name like amitkumar.gmail.com, and Gmail say you that this is not available, and suggest you like and Google suggest you that you can take amitkumar.11, and you can choose from the given list. Okay, same as here. The registration of these domains name is usually administered by domain name registrars who sell their services to the public. Here are some generic top level domains like these are unrestricted like .com, .net, .org for different organizations, and there are some restricted GLTDs that .edu will provide it to some educational institutes. .gov will only provide to the government agencies. .mil will provide to the military organizations, and .int will provide to some international treaties. This is a common level domain system on your screen, that is root domain dot. Here your name will suggest like www dot your name a dot edu, a dot gov, a dot com, a dot net, and further it can divided like www dot a dot net dot att, okay, or dot google, as this is called domain name systems. Okay, so by this diagram this is clear to you what is the system of domain names, and you can understand this easily. So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.